Good morning, team. Let's get straight into it. A quick update on ward operations. Yesterday, we had that unusual cluster of gastroenteritis cases in pediatrics, which thankfully seems to be stabilizing now. Dr. Anya confirmed the viral strain. However, we're still grappling with the ongoing supply chain disruptions, particularly regarding the specialized wound dressings. I've been on the phone with procurement all morning. It's creating quite the bottleneck in post-op care. Speaking of post-op, Mrs. Henderson in orthopedics is still experiencing significant discomfort, despite the increased analgesic dosage. We need to review her pain management plan urgently.
Mihira, about the dressings, are we expecting any resolution today? The current substitutes are less than ideal.
That's the million-dollar question, David. Procurement is pushing our usual supplier, but they're citing issues at their manufacturing plant. We're looking into alternative international distributors, but that's a longer-term solution. For now, we'll have to make do and prioritize based on clinical need. It means some non-urgent dressing changes might be slightly delayed. Separately, I wanted to address the rising incidence of pressure injuries we've observed over the last fortnight. This isn't about specific patient cases, but a broader trend. I've initiated a review of our current repositioning protocols and charting practices. We need to ensure consistency across all shifts. It suggests a potential gap in our routine preventative measures.
So, a refresher training session on pressure injury prevention, Mihira?
Not a full session just yet, Sarah. More of an internal audit and a reinforcement of existing guidelines. We need to pinpoint where the breakdown is occurring. I'll be circulating a memo by lunch with specific points to review during patient rounds. Our main focus right now is to reinforce adherence to established protocols to prevent further occurrences, given the noticeable increase in incidence.
Mihira, I can see this is all very sudden and worrying, and I want to take a moment to explain exactly what's happening and what we're going to do every step of the way. The most important thing right now is that we've identified a significant infection, which requires our immediate and full attention. To give your body the best chance to fight this, we need to admit you to the hospital right away. This allows us to act quickly and decisively. Our first and most crucial step will be to start an intravenous line, which is a small tube we place in a vein. This is a real lifeline because it lets us give you powerful antibiotics directly into your bloodstream to tackle the infection head-on, much faster than any pill could. We'll also be giving you fluids through the ford to keep you well hydrated, as your body uses a lot of energy and fluid to fight an illness like this. Once we have that started, you can expect our team to be in to see you quite frequently for very close monitoring. We'll be checking your vital signs like your temperature, blood pressure, and heart rate regularly to see how your body is responding to the treatment. A key part of our detective work will also involve taking some blood samples. We'll send these to the lab for tests and cultures, which essentially means we try to grow the bacteria from your blood to pinpoint the exact type of infection you have. Identifying the specific source is our goal, as it helps us ensure you are on the most effective antibiotic possible. I want you to know that while this may feel overwhelming, you are in the right place, and we have a clear plan to care for you.